Good morning class. Welcome to Vishnu Bhagwan e-learning app. I just make this video for the chapter 4 which is simple equation. Okay. This is just the summary of the chapter. So first I give you the introduction. Lesson 4 simple equation. Now there is some terms like variable. First one is variable and then constant. So what is variable? You all know about these terms very earlier in class, in the chapter algebraic expression. Variable is what? Variable is anything that values varies, that whose values are not fixed. Okay. Variable is something whose values are not fixed. So for variable we are using any alphabet from English alphabet from A to Z, A, B, C, D and so on up to Z. Okay. So variable are denoted by an English alphabets such as X, Y, Z, etc. You can use any. ठीक. Now second one is constant. Now what is constant? Constant is what? Just the opposite of variable. Something whose values are not are fixed. Okay. Constant means something that values does not vary. Does not vary means जो change ना हो. Constant are numeric values whose which are not varies. Constant are denoted, or it may be any number denoted by 5, 10, -3, etc. Now comes to the expression. What are expression? Expression means expression can be formed by using the mathematical operator like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division in the variable and the constant. कांस्टेंट और वेरिएबल में जब हम मैथमेटिकल ऑपरेटर का यूज़ कर लेते हैं इनके बीच में, तो ये किस में कन्वर्ट हो जाते हैं? तब ये सेपरेटली वेरिएबल और कांस्टेंट इनको नहीं बोलते सेपरेटली, तब इनको हम होली क्या बोलते हैं? एक एक्सप्रेशन बोलते हैं. ओके. Expression can be formed can be formed by using the mathematical operator like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division in the variable and constant. Okay, now I hope that you all get aware about variable, constant and expression. Now we take some example how to form the expression. Here the statement is given you, one statement. Statement is 5 is subtracted from thrice a number. Now thrice a number, which number we don't know, so that means this quantity is unknown. So in this chapter, for every unknown quantity you have to assume some variable. So let a number be x. Okay, you have assume that the number be x. Now thrice a number means 3 times a number. If a number is x, so how much it 3 times? So it 3 times of x, of a number means of a x, it will be 3x. Now from this 3x, according to the question, 5 is subtracted from 3x. Thrice a number means become 3x. 5 is subtracted from 3x means 3x minus 5. This is your expression. Clear? Now simple equation is solved by 3 methods. There are 3 methods given you to solve the simple equation. One is trial error method, second one is systematic method, and the third method is transposing method. So here is your simple equation. And there are 3 methods. To solve the simple equation. First one is trial error method. Second one is systematic method. Third one is transposing method. Okay, now let me explain the first method, and that is trial error method. Trial error method. Now this method I explain you with the example. Okay, take one example. Example is, suppose given is 4x minus 5 equal to 7. This is your equation. 4x minus 5 is your expression equal to 7 means here this quantity is what? Unknown. This quantity is, this variable is unknown. So the equation means that this value, this variable have some value which on putting here the expression have a value of how much? 7. ओके मीन्स हम इस वेरिएबल में एक वैल्यू है इसकी जिसको यहाँ पुट करने पर इस एक्सप्रेशन की वैल्यू कितनी आ जाती है? 7 आ जाती है. सो दिस पार्ट इज कॉल्ड द RHS पार्ट एंड दिस पार्ट इज कॉल्ड द LHS पार्ट. So in the trial error method you have to assume the different value of variable. You can assume different value of the variable at any one particular value. At any one particular value the value of the x left hand side is equal to the right hand side part. मीन्स x की डिफरेंट वैल्यूज आपको अज्यूम करनी है और उस डिफरेंट वैल्यू में से किसी एक वैल्यू पर जो LHS की वैल्यू होगी पूरी एक्सप्रेशन की वो इसके बराबर आ जाएगी. मीन्स 7 के बराबर आ जाएगी. इसकी वैल्यू भी कितनी आ जाएगी? 7 आ जाएगी. सो कैसे करना है? ये आपको दिया हुआ है कि इसकी वैल्यू उसके बराबर है लेकिन किस पर्टिकुलर वैल्यू पर है x की वो आपको नहीं मालूम है. सो फॉर लेट फर्स्ट x इज इक्वल्स टू 1. हमने माना x की वैल्यू 1 है. सो LHS पार्ट सॉल्व करते हैं. 4 into 1 minus 5 we get 4 ones are 4 minus 5 it comes minus 1. Now the LHS part have minus 1 value which is not equal to the RHS part. So this value is not correct. Next assume x is equals to 2. So again LHS part 4 into 2 minus 5 is equals to 8 minus 5 is equals to 3. Again this is not equal to the RHS. Third one is x is equals to 3. So at LHS part 4 into 3 minus 5. So 4 3 is 12 minus 5 how much? 7. Now this is equal to the RHS part. So at which value the expression is equal to the RHS? At which value the LHS part is equal to RHS? At x is equals to 3. So value of x is how much? 3 is the, or you can write where x equal to 3 is the solution of the equation. Solution of the equation. Clear? This is your trial error method. Now come to the next method is systematic method. Now what we have to do in the systematic method? In this one we take the again the same example. 4x minus 5 is equals to 7. Now x is attached with this 4. It means the whole this term 4x is your variable. Now with this variable there is a constant term minus 5. Variable साथ एक term लगा है minus 5 का. So in the systematic method first is yours that just make just remove that constant term from the variable part. एक्सप्रेशन में अगर किसी वेरिएबल के साथ कांस्टेंट टर्म लगा हुआ है तो पहला स्टेप होगा कि उस कांस्टेंट टर्म को हमें वहाँ से हटाना है. हटाने मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि हम नेक्स्ट स्टेप लिखेंगे एंड माइनस 5 को गायब कर देंगे, ऐसा नहीं होगा. इसका एक सिस्टम होगा, तरीका होगा. हाउ यू रिमूव दिस? सो यू कैन रिमूव दिस. हियर इज 5 is subtracting from 5x 4x sorry 4x 5 is subtracted from 4x. here is the minus sign. अगर हम इसको हटाना चाहते हैं तो हम इस इक्वेशन में इस एक्सप्रेशन में एक +5 डाल दें तो +5 और -5 क्या हो जाएगा? कैंसिल अप हो जाएगा. but you cannot do this on the only left hand side part. If you are doing minus on the left hand side part, you have to do minus on the right hand side part also. दोनों साइड सेम सेम करना पड़ेगा, इधर प्लस करें तो उधर प्लस करेंगे, इधर माइनस करें तो उधर माइनस करेंगे. सो जस्ट ऐड 5 ऑन बोथ साइड पे हम +5 ऐड करेंगे. तो 4x - 5 + 5 इज इक्वल्स टू 7 + 5. So -5 and 4 +5 cancel. Now here is your 4x is equals to 12. Now 12 is the value of 4x, but we want to find the value of the variable x. So what you have to do, you have to remove this 4 also. So 4 is multiplying here, 4 into x. यहाँ 4x का मतलब होता है 4 into x. Now you have to divide remove this 4. So what you have to do, you have to divide by 4 ऑन बोथ साइड. 4 से हम दोनों साइड क्या करेंगे, डिवाइड करेंगे. ऊपर वाले में 4 मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है, तो जस्ट का अपोजिट ऑपरेटर यूज करेंगे, एंड दैट इज डिवाइड. सो 4 into x डिवाइडेड बाई 4, 12 डिवाइड बाई 4. 4 and 4 कैंसिल. सो x इज इक्वल्स टू 4 3 is 12. 3 ये आ गया 3. Okay, this is your systematic method. Now third one is yours transposing method. In transposing method, again take the same example, 4x - 5 is equals to 7. Now in this one, in the previous method, we just remove this term from the variable part. Now what you have to do, you have to transpose this part. You have to transpose this part on the next side. So 4x minus 5 is equal to 7. So we write here 4x is equals to 7. When this -5 is transposed on the right hand side part, is its sign is changed. Here is -5, so it will become +5. In the bracket I write down transpose -5 on RHS part में इसको RHS साइड पे ट्रांसपोज कर दिया. So -5 will become +5. So 4x is equals to 12. Okay, 4x is equals to 12. So you know that 4x is equals to what? 4 into x means 4 is multiplying by x. So what? 4 is the coefficient of x. 4 क्या है? x का coefficient है. So now divide this 12 by the coefficient. If there is any coefficient with the variable, so in the last step what you have to do, you have to divide the right hand side part or constant part by the coefficient of the variable. So here the variable coefficient is 4, so constant is 12. This constant is divided by the coefficient, and that is 4. It comes 3. So x is equals to 3 is your answer. Clear all of you? Now on the behalf on the using this methods, you just solve the questions given in your exercises. If you have any problem, just message me or WhatsApp me. Okay, thank you class.